Okay, like, what's up, Schmuck Nation? I can't do that fucking bit with a straight face. Okay, nothing really on the map has changed, but we got some new music though. That's made by yours truly. It's very fun to compose. Wanted to have a nice little whimsical vibe to it, but the big changes is Checkerboard Beach is pretty much the same. Second boss phase is still A-OK and working, but the big one. Now that I have a great foundation to work off of. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. That's really all for this kind of update on Honk Honk, so I guess I'll see you in the next one.